Hi everyone, in today's short video I'm going to show you how we mix together the Lunar Pearl concentrate to make a beautiful glaze that I am doing over a commission piece or pair of bedsides at the moment. So I thought I'd show you the steps to create the glaze and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. So what I have in front of me is everything I need to make the glaze. So I have the Lunar Pearl concentrate. It's a beautiful soft pearlized powder, as you can see, and you can mix it to any strength you want. So I'll be making it as a glaze today. Then I have the illuminator. So this is the binding product that goes with the concentrates to turn it into the painted product that we need. I have some little mixing sticks so I can mix it all together. I've got baking paper that I'll mix it on as it's a nice flat surface. I have my little mini teaspoons here to measure, and then I just have a couple of really nice Starmeister flat brushes or fine brushes that give a nice smooth flawless finish when painting it on. Okay, so mixing up your metallics is really simple. I'm going to start with some baking paper as I want a nice flat surface, so I tend to use this or a little plate or very shallow bowl. I then want to get some of my illuminator and I'm just going to do a little bit to show you. So I'm just going to decant a little bit here onto my baking paper. One tip with this, when you go to close it, just make sure you wipe the rim as it is really strong and you can glue the lid back on. So keep the rim clean. I've just got a damp paper towel here. And then I've got my concentrates, as I said, Lunar Pearl today, but this is the same with all of them. So give it a really good shake that disperses the pigments and makes it nice and light. And then with my little mini teaspoon, so I know how much I'm using, I'm just going to get a little bit here and plop it straight on. And then with another little stick, I'm just going to mix it together. So I'll show you this again up nice and close so you can see what it looks like. Pretty much you just want to mix it so it's all mixed in. There's no loose powder anywhere. And then when that's all done, it's ready to use. So as I said, I really like using these really fine bristled brushes as it gives a flawless finish. But you can do all sorts of different techniques. You can dry brush, you can do a full finish, whatever works for you. So that is how simple it is to make up your Lunar Pearl glaze or any of your glazes or concentrates. Yeah, my biggest tips: do it on a flat surface. Make sure to stir it or mix it really well so that all of the pigments are dispersed throughout your illuminator. Use your a wet rag or damp cloth or something to clean the rim your illuminator so that when you put the lid back on it doesn't get stuck down. And then to wash your brushes, we do recommend once you've done it to wash them relatively quickly so that the bristles stay nice. We use gentle soap, so I like using olive soap, but yeah, just something nice and gentle to break down that metallic. And that's it. I will show you what the bedsides look like when they're done. As I said, I'm doing it over potter's clay, so it's going to be a nice subtle look, but you can do this over any of the kind of mid to light paint colours, and I have a whole list on the website for you. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and we hope you have fun with this.